Hey, what's up, guys? Today, I'm giving away the secrets to getting a high-limit credit card even if your credit score sucks. We're talking thousands of dollars in credit, even if you're just starting out, or you've taken some big L's in the past. Stick around, because I'm about to show you 5 real cards that almost anyone can get approved for. Plus, I'm dropping some secret hacks to boost your approval chances through the roof. You are not going to want to miss a single second of this. So do me a favor, smash that like button. Subscribe so you don't miss out on more content like this. And let's make financial freedom go absolutely viral. Alright, let's get straight to it. What even is a low credit score? Are we talking under 650? Under 600? Maybe you don't even know your score, you just know it's bad. If any of that sounds like you, don't worry, you are in exactly the right place. There's a massive myth out there that credit card companies don't want to approve you. They want you to believe you're stuck, that you can't get access to good credit lines. Well, today, we're here to completely break that myth wide open. The truth is, they want your business. You just have to know how to play the game. And I'm here to give you the cheat codes. Forget what you've heard. Your financial comeback story starts right now. Before we even look at the cards, let's talk about how to get approved. These are the hacks that will change the game for you. First off, rejection sucks, right? We've all been there, but you can avoid it. Tip number 1, always, and I mean always, use the pre-approval tools on the credit card websites. It's a free look, it doesn't hurt your credit score, and it tells you if you have a shot before you even apply. It's a no-brainer. Tip number 2, please, do not apply for 10 different cards in one night. That's a rookie mistake and a guaranteed way to lose. Kinda like when Jimmy tried to beat me in that last challenge. Applying too much, too fast, makes you look desperate to the banks. Slow and steady wins the race. Our favorite hacks are simple. Use those soft inquiry pre-approval tools. Accurately show all of your income including side hustles, and always make sure your personal information is completely up to date before you hit submit. These small steps make a huge difference, okay, the moment you've all been waiting for. Here are the top 5 credit cards for getting high limits, even with less than perfect credit. Get ready to take some notes. Coming in at number 5 is the Capital One Quicksilver One card. This is a fantastic starter card for building credit. People are reporting getting approved with limits of $1,000 or more right from day one. Plus, you get unlimited 1.5% cashback rewards on every single purchase. The only small downside is a modest annual fee, but the rewards can easily make up for it if you use the card regularly. At number 4, we have the Discover It Secured card. Now I know what you're thinking, secured card, but hear me out. Sliding into the number 3 spot is the Pedal to Visa card. This one is a game changer because there are no fees whatsoever. No annual fee, no late fee, no foreign transaction fee. Nothing. They use your banking history to approve you, not just your credit score. We've seen tons of people on Reddit reporting crazy high starting limits of $2,500 or more. If you have a steady income, this card is a must-try. Our runner-up at number 2 is the Avant card. This card is designed specifically for people rebuilding their credit. There's no security deposit required, approvals are relatively easy, and the credit limits can be surprisingly generous. We've seen some wild success stories straight from online forums about this one. It's a solid tool for getting back on your feet and showing lenders you're responsible. And now, the number 1, the absolute champion for high limits with a low score. The Upgrade Visa card. This card is legendary. We're talking insane credit limits, with people reporting approvals up to $20,000. Even with scores in the low 600s, it functions a bit like a personal loan, which helps you pay down your balance with predictable monthly payments. If you get approved for this card, I want you to comment your flex down below, because that is a massive win. Alright, talk is cheap. Now I'm gone, nah. Apply live for 2 of these cards right now, and walk you through it. Let's see what happens. First, we're heading to the Pedal to website. See this check pre-approval button. We click that. Now watch how I fill this out. Name, address, income. Remember to include all your income sources. The biggest mistake people make is only putting their 9-to-5 job. And submit. Now while that's processing, let's try the upgrade card. Same deal. We find their pre-approval form. Fill it out carefully, double checking for any typos. A wrong digit in your social security number can cause an instant denial. And let's see what they say. Boom, look at that. We got pre-approved. It's that simple, guys. Okay, once you get approved, Don't get wrecked by making simple mistakes. Let's cover the pro tips. Rule 1. Do not miss payments. Ever. Set up autopay right away. Just do it. Rule 2. Never max out your card. Try to keep your balance below 30% of your total limit. This is called your credit utilization, and it's a huge factor in your score. Want to boost your score fast? Here's the secret recipe. Use the card for a small purchase once a month, like a coffee or your Netflix subscription. Then, pay the balance in full before the due date. Set up alerts on your phone so you never miss a payment. Do this consistently, and you will see your score start to climb. So, there you have it. My top 5 credit cards you can snag, even if your credit score isn't perfect. We broke down the myths, we showed you the hacks, and we even applied live. What do you think? Did you get approved for any of these? I want to hear about it, so comment your story below. Your success could inspire someone else. And remember, be a good friend. Like, subscribe, and share this video with that one friend who keeps whining about their bad credit. You could change their financial life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Oh, and make sure you watch my next video to see how I turn $100 of credit card rewards into $1,000 cash real money. You don't want to miss it.